Toyota Tundra wheel spacers are a common modification for car most lovers looking to improve the performance and appearance of their vehicle. The Toyota Tundra wheel spacers are available in two types, one with Hub-Centric and one without Hub-Centric. We recommend installing Toyota Tundra wheel spacers with Hub-Centric. The Toyota Tundra wheel spacers can change the wheels of that and back spacing when you add some larger component or buy another set of aftermarket wheels. Installing the Hub-Centric Toyota Tundra wheel spacers can provide higher stability. BONOSS Toyota Tundra wheel spacers have a multi-stage Hub-Centric design. These designs allow the spacer to be more fit on the wheel hub assembly and wheels, thereby reducing high-speed vehicle vibration. Compared with common, the multi-stage Hub-Centric design of BONOSS makes the installation more fitting and safer, and the BONOSS Toyota Tundra wheel spacers can also be readapted with different data, providing vehicle owners with more choice. Hub-Centric spacers make sure that there is constant contact between the hub, spacer, and wheel, thus creating a smooth and reliable ride. When the spacer fits on the hub, it handles more weight and stress than if it fits on the lug only. This is why this type of wheel spacer is usually more expensive than lug-centric, because the central hole of the spacer is specific to a certain model of vehicle. Besides, BONOSS active cooling Toyota Tundra wheel spacers are designed with heat expansion grooves to make brake cooling better, distributed in kettle shape. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actually dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of Toyota Tundra wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors, which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety. So, if you are considering installing Toyota Tundra wheel spacers for your vehicle, remember to choose the ones with Hub-Centric.